Hey smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuum cleaners. It's a battle between the Lefant M210 and the ROPVACNIC S1. Who will suck less? More? Let's find out. Alright, let's kick off with the most important thing, price. Lefant M210 comes in at a wallet-friendly $199. Meanwhile, the ROPVACNIC S1 is asking for $299. That's right, folks. For an extra $100, you could buy a fancy dinner or, a robot that mops too. Decisions. First up, design and size. The Lefant M210 is a petite powerhouse with an 11-inch diameter and a height of just under 3 inches. It's like the gymnast of robot vacuums, flipping under beds and sofas with ease. On the other side, we have the ROPVACNIC S1, which is also compact, but not as sleek. It's like comparing a gymnast to a slightly chubby ballet dancer. Both are graceful, but one's just a tad more nimble. Now, let's talk about suction power. Lefant M210 boasts a strong, brushless suction port, perfect for pet owners who are tired of their vacuums getting tangled like a bad hair day. But hold on to your socks, because the ROPVACNIC S1 is rocking a whopping 4,000 pascals suction power. It's like the Hulk of vacuums. If the Hulk had a thing for clean floors. Reviewers have noted that while the Lefant M210 is great for pet hair and debris, it struggles a bit on carpets. ROPVACNIC S1, on the other hand, is praised for its powerful suction and effectiveness on various surfaces. Cleaning modes, anyone? Lefant M210 offers you 6 modes, including auto, spot, edge, zigzag, scheduled, and manual. It's got more moves than a dance floor at a wedding. But wait, ROPVACNIC S1 isn't slacking either. It has multiple modes and even a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming feature. That's right, it can vacuum and mop, making it the multitasking parent of robot vacuums. Reviewers appreciate the versatility of both models, but the added mopping function in the ROPVACNIC S1 often gets a special mention. Moving on to smart features, Lefant M210 lets you control it via an app and even obeys voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. You can set schedules, adjust suction, and more, right from your phone. It's like having a butler in your pocket. ROPVACNIC S1 also offers smart controls, but ups the ante with high automation and self-recharge. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a Tesla, just without the autopilot crashes. Reviews indicate that both models are easy to set up, though some users found the Lefant app less reliable compared to the SmartLife app. Battery life is crucial. Lefant M210 gives you up to 120 minutes of cleaning time on low suction. That's enough to watch a couple of episodes of your favorite series while it does the dirty work. ROPVACNIC S1 doesn't specify its runtime, but given all its high-tech features, we hope it doesn't need a nap halfway through the job. Reviewers have praised the battery life of both, but some noted that Lefant M210 loses strength towards the end of its battery life. Both the Lefant M210 and ROPVACNIC S1 have garnered positive reviews from users. The Lefant M210 is frequently praised for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness on pet hair and debris, although it struggles a bit on carpets and has occasional connectivity issues with its app. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC S1 is lauded for its powerful suction, mopping feature, and advanced smart capabilities, making it a more versatile yet pricier option. So who's the winner? If you're puggling on a budget and need something petite and pet-friendly, Lefant M210 is your go-to. But if you're willing to splurge for extra suction power and a mopping feature, ROPVACNIC S1 is your new best friend. Either way, your floors will be cleaner than your browsing history. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a smart buy. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.